Ayan mga kada, nandito po kami ngayon ni Lance Raimundo at ng belated happy birthday Ronnie Raimundo, and syempre Mary Trego nandito rin. At nandito rin ang aming producer and writer si Zep, and our photographer, international photographer, and of course ang team ko nandito, si Donna, si Joy. So ano, kwento naman konti tungkol sa ating season, guys. Para sa kada umaga.
Yeah, new season 2 is in the works already. Hopefully malalabas na siya by March of this year. And as early as now, poster pa lang nakikita nyo, we have an international fashion photographer, Edward Micus is right here, and he's doing our poster for us. So alam natin na talagang level up yung season.
Tama. And ito naman si Mary. Mary, say hi. Pwede mo sila i-greet in Bisaya. It's okay.
Hello, mayong buntag sa inyong tanan.
Yay!
Abangan ninyo ang amuang ipalabas karong season 2, the WPS with Diana.
And Mary Trego, and of course Ronnie Raimundo, Lance Raimundo, Chase Romero, at iba pa po. Kaya abangan nyo ang second season ng WPS and also the movie.
Wow,
Bukod sa series, may movie din tayo. Interviewin ko naman ang ating writer. Wow! Ang bush interview, Zep. Zep, ano ba yung mga niluluto natin for this next season?
Amuyin na lang muna nila
yung pagkain. Hindi, pero mas exciting.
Mas exciting, twist of characters. Siyempre, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin yung detalye, but so much twist. Like Diana here will be the commander now. Yeah.
So ito naman po yung ayan, busy na tuloy, may tumatawag. Ito yung commander namin, syempre si Ronnie. Ayan, but now it will be me who will be appointed as commander for the second season. Bulol na, no? Mainit kasi dito sa roof deck, and then mainit, no, itong costume namin. But we're almost done with our photo shoot, and abangan nyo ang WPS season 2. We are done with our photo shoot! Ayan for our second season mga kada. Ayan, next naman, we're very busy, no? So, we're very busy, no? Pangit pakinggan. Sorry na, hindi, we're very busy. So, we have something to do pa today bukod sa photo shoot. Anong gagawin natin ngayon?
Alright, so kami ni Diana, we're awardees. Later on, medyo malayo, it's gonna be in Tagaytay, so we're gonna rush right now. Thank you so much kay Doc Ronel.
Yes, Ronel Ibanez.
Doc
siya. Anyway, we'll see you guys very, very soon. At abangan nyo ang WPS Season 2 very, very soon sa DZRH TV. Right after po ito ng photoshoot, iba na ang itsura. Diba? Iba na, naka-Filipiniana na po ako. Mamaya makikita nyo mas maganda yung outfit ko kasi nasa car lang. On the way kami to Tagaytay for our next ganap. Samahan nyo ako mga kada. And guys, we're here na in Tagaytay. Pa-start pa lang yung event. Medyo maaga ko. Kanina pa ako sa parking.
After the photo shoot, this is like fashion week levels of experience, right?
So cool. Kaya we were just shooting for WPS and now we're here after the photo, no?
Yeah.
The same day. So this is part 2. Ginawa namin kanina. So let's go inside. Sasha. Anyway, thank you for joining us for our activities, mga ganap namin for today. We had a photo shoot.
It was a long day, but very productive and fun.
Correct. And now, we're gonna biyahe back to Manila. Kaya we'll see you there, mga kada! Woo! Hello, mga Kanet 25! This is Diana Menezes, and for more Kada Umaga updates, just click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and at Net25 Entertainment.